Hey, and welcome back to our channel. Did you like the intro? I created it in less than 15 minutes using a very unique software. Have you ever wanted to be able to create logo intros for your YouTube channel or sell these as a service? If you answered yes, then keep watching. In today's video, I want to share a software that I've been using for a few years now, and it just keeps getting better and better. The following clip will show you what's possible.
Give you something to believe in. About to show you now that it's more than just a feeling. I was born.
Really, videos is one of the biggest points in my arsenal for creative coolness.
I love it because it is so easy to use. The simplicity, it's just so quick, so simple, anybody can do it.
Never met a match I couldn't handle. No one else could ever hold a candle. Get ready for a battle, 'cause you know
Cannot say enough about it. The guys, they are great. The support's phenomenal. So hands down, if you're ever sitting on the fence of whether to go with videos or not, even if you're in the motion graphic industry or not, go for it. Give it a shot. Thank you from the bottom of my heart, videos, and I am so excited to see what's coming in the future.